Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The fuel pump fuse, we're going to start, guys, by demonstrating on a 2017 Honda Civic. You have two fuse boxes. We're going to open the fuse box that's inside the vehicle, guys, and inside the vehicle, under the dash, on the driver's side, if you look upside down practically, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like that. That's the first fuse box that we need. This is your OBD port. This is the black thing, is the dash. We took a picture so we can zoom in a little bit and show you clearly. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we'll need to check here for the fuel pump, guys, will need to come in that left row right here. From left to right you have number 1, then number 13. Even if you have an empty spot, empty fuse, you still count that number. We need to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 20 amp fuse will need to be checked right here. You need to check that 20 amp fuse. You have another fuse box now. That's actually under the hood on your Honda Civic, guys. We're talking about that fuse box right there in the corner. If you open that fuse box, you're going to see, guys, a fuse box layout, just like that, with the diagram and everything else. Now let's explain here, which fuse exactly you need to check, because it could be a little bit confusing. Two fuses will need to be checked here for a fuel pump, guys, in your case, and we're going to come right there in that fuse box, over here. We'll need to check fuse number 7 first. So 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, guys, that's number 7, and fuse number 8. So these two fuses will need to be checked right here, for the fuel pump. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.